TONEX versus Helix Native, which guitar plugin is better? Choosing the right guitar plugin can completely change how you craft your tone without struggling with complex setups. TONEX offers AI-driven amp modeling, while Helix Native delivers deep manual control. TONEX and Helix Native are both powerful guitar plugins, but differ fundamentally. TONEX uses AI to emulate real amplifiers and pedals automatically, while Helix Native provides a hands-on approach with detailed manual editing of amp and effects parameters. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar amp and effects modeling plugin developed by IK Multimedia. It works by analyzing your guitar signal and automatically replicating the sound of iconic amplifiers and pedals with impressive accuracy. The plugin uses machine learning to capture the nuances of vintage and modern gear, delivering authentic tones without the need for manual tweaking. Its strengths include ease of use, fast tone dialing, and a vast library of amp profiles sourced from real hardware. However, TONEX's AI-driven approach can limit hands-on customization for users who prefer detailed control over every parameter. This makes TONEX ideal for guitarists and producers seeking quick, realistic tones with minimal setup, especially those who want to experiment with a wide range of sounds without deep technical knowledge. Helix Native by Line 6 is a professional-grade guitar amp and effects modeling plugin designed for detailed tone crafting. Unlike AI-driven plugins, Helix Native offers an extensive manual interface where users can build custom signal chains, tweak amp parameters, and apply a broad range of effects with precision. It replicates the hardware Helix processors known for their studio-quality sound and flexibility. Key strengths include deep customization, real-time control, and integration with DAWs for seamless workflow. However, this depth means a steeper learning curve and potentially longer setup times compared to automatic solutions. Helix Native suits experienced guitarists, producers, and sound engineers who want full control over their tone and are comfortable navigating complex interfaces to achieve specific sounds. Comparing TONEX and Helix Native highlights a trade-off between automation and control. TONEX excels in quickly delivering authentic amp tones using AI, perfect for users who want great sound with minimal effort. It's ideal for songwriting, demos, or quick production sessions. Helix Native, on the other hand, offers unmatched flexibility and sound sculpting, ideal for studio professionals and guitarists who prefer to dial in every detail manually. While TONEX simplifies the process, it may not satisfy users wanting deep parameter tweaking. Helix Native demands more time and expertise but rewards with precision and customization. In real-world use, TONEX speeds up creative flow, while Helix Native supports complex sound design and professional mixing environments. Choose TONEX if you want quick, realistic amp tones powered by AI without spending time on complex setups or deep manual editing. Option for Helix Native if you need full control over your guitar tone and effects, and you're comfortable with detailed manual adjustments. Both plugins excel in different areas, so your choice depends on whether you prioritize speed or customization in your guitar sound creation.